Hey everybody, we're back again on another installment of the HD20. I'm actually trying to get this thing ready to take to a show here at the end of the week, so I'm kind of in a rush, but turning the cutting edges over, they're pretty worn on one side, so the two center ones are going to get flipped. The end ones, if you remember from my other videos, were absolutely trashed. You can see here, I just cut out this whole corner to make an entire new piece because that's kind of silly to try and build that up with weld when you can just cut a square and put in a new one. So we're gonna get some new bolts. I've got new bolts coming. Disregard that little glob of chicken poop on the end. I gotta fix that, but otherwise I have two new end bits that I've made, and let's see here, get through the junk pile. Gonna look something like this. They're not the greatest looking either, but you'll get the idea once they get on there. So we'll come back when I get some more done. Hey everybody, it's the next day, and this is my repair to the blade of the HD20. I don't remember if I shot video, but this basically was worn off clear up halfway through this hole and up here because the cutting edge was broken off. So it was easier just to cut that out and weld in an entire new piece and weld it in this brace out here because this was worn off almost all the way up to here. So that's what was giving it the play there to be able to move, because it wasn't solid. And I need to brush up on my stick welding skills, but I think it's gonna work. Here's the center two edges. Got them flipped over, waiting for the new bolts. They should be here tomorrow. And this one over here, I'm not done yet. I gotta get it down, but since these cutting edges are homemade, I've had to cut all of these holes, and in order to make these bolts fit in here and not stick up too high, I have to kind of grind the holes here to make that fit. Combination of this air grinder and this big grinder here drop down in there like that, and I got a little carried away on a couple of these holes torching them, but I'll probably snug these down and run a bead right along the bottom half with the wire welder just to give the dirt something to wear on instead of the bolt head, and then I don't think I'll ever have to change these again, so should work. Bye. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Finally done. All new bolts, two brand new end pieces. Let me know what you think. Coming up, I'll get some action when we go to the show. Just a couple days away. See ya.